Hello, my friends. Just
D-Man here. Listen to this noise that's coming from outside of my house. It's approximately like 2 or 3 in the morning right now. And this is what I can hear. It's kind of weird, huh? It's kind of like a beeping, like a da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Just non-stop. It sounds like it's coming from the distance, and then it sounds like it's coming from the distance over there too. I don't know where the fuck it's coming from. Not coming from inside the house. Half the time it sounds like it's getting closer, half the time it sounds like it's getting farther away. If you guys can hear that, I hope you guys can. Yeah, that's the video, guys. It's weird. Alright, see you guys later. Stay safe, my friends. It's D-Man here, again. After you heard the video with the weird beep, 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 I just wanted to say a few things about that. Like, it lasted for over 2 hours, pretty much. I didn't know what it was, obviously. I don't know, maybe it was aliens or something, I don't know. It's just freaky, man, you know? It sounded like it was coming from one direction and the other direction. And it lasted for a long time, man, I don't know. Could have been whatever, man, I don't know. You guys decide, you know? And if you can't hear it, you gotta turn up your volume, because it is pretty low. So, yeah. Peace out, guys.
Hello, D-Man here. Just reminding you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right here if you're on PC, or down there if you're on cell phone, because I don't think it'll work on cell phones. Share this video, watch my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and watch videos. And remember, my friends, stay sane, because I'll be watching.